than this little... Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you've never been here before. My name is Amy. So for today's video I thought I would do a favourites video of things that I have bought recently and have been absolutely loving. These are like bringing me joy every day, and it includes clothes, shoes, bit of makeup and bag, including a very special bag. These are things that I'm loving styling at the minute and wearing, so yeah. First up is a jacket, and there's a little story behind this jacket. So I follow a Hailey Bieber like fan account, or like botted account on Instagram, basically because I like her outfit, and she was wearing this sort of shirt jacket, and I put it on my stories like, oh, love this jacket, thinking, you know, it's probably like £2,000 or something, and somebody messaged me like, that's really like my one from Uniqlo. Is it called Uniqlo or Uniqlo? I don't know. Anyway, she said she had a jacket from that shop, so she was really kind enough to like send me a picture of the label inside. I looked it up online and it was in the sale for £19, the exact jacket that old Hailey Bieber was wearing, and so I immediately bought it in a extra large, definitely oversized. It didn't look like it was meant to be as oversized as she was wearing it, and I liked the way she was wearing it. And yeah, £19, it was on sale. How good is that? I think it has since sold out. It keeps coming back in and out online, so I'll definitely link it below if you like it. You can also check in store, and it's right up my street, type of thing that I love to chuck on. I haven't got a jacket this colour, shape or anything like it. Well, I've got sort of shirt jackets, but nothing exactly like this. I have been chucking it on every day. I know that Weekday and like Misguided have sort of similar things online, so I'll link them down below as well. I'm so happy I managed to nab the same jacket as Mrs. Bieber. Now I just need to get her face and body too next, really, maybe. So another piece I've been loving recently are these New Balance 530. They are brand new out, and they are like the ultimate dad shoe. They are like a little bit chunky, but nothing compared to some of the other chunky trainers that I wear, but I just love them. I think they are so dad masculine, sporty streetwear. I think they are going to be really cute for styling. I've seen loads of people style them up and I've loved them. These were actually gifted to me by a London PR, full disclosure, but obviously I don't have to say anything, or you know, it's up to me and what I think of them, and I absolutely love them. They're sort of like a mesh mixed with like plastic, so they're not leather. Oh yeah, they're not a leather shoe, I don't think, no. And they are super comfortable. If you're into your trainers, and especially like I love a trainer that's a little bit different, but maybe you can't afford a designer trainer, then something like these New Balance are super cute. And if you love the dad look, these are cute. Yeah, they came out like yesterday, so they're like brand new as well, so yeah, worth bearing in mind. Woo. Next up is something that was a part of the Black Friday sale. So JD asked me to do a little styling video for them and got me to pick some pieces, and this hoodie was one of them, and it's like a cropped Adidas hoodie. I sized up twice, so I got a size 14 and I love it. This is my like favorite piece out of the whole styling video I got to do, and yeah, I'm just really chuffed with it. Sometimes it's a bit hit and miss with sportswear. Really cute. I like that it's cropped. It's nice to have cropped hoodies sometimes. They go better with some outfits. I'm a fan of Adidas 3-stripe things. I don't know why, but I find like sportswear, they like to have their hoodies quite tight fitting, don't they? Yeah, so I'm really happy I sized up. I feel like if you don't like things too baggy, cropped is quite a good idea, because then you can wear skinny jeans on the bottom. It's quite good for like cold winter evenings, isn't it, for an extra layer, because then you can put a big coat over the top. When I got it I was like, oh, keeping this is really nice. Next one, right, I'll keep the hoodie on because I think these two will go together. This is something I bought recently off Depop. Now, I love a bit of Depop every now and then. It was a vintage shop called Red Cactus Vintage, and it just so happened to have these big like men's padded shirt jacket things. Check shirts, big check jackets have been quite a trend over this winter, and so when I saw this I thought, do you know what, I'm going to give it a go. It was like £15 or something, because it is vintage second hand. I think it was marked as an extra large. I don't know what that says. So it's like lined with a quilted fabric, and then it's got a cotton outer, so it is super comfortable and really warm. I mean, it is a little bit rough around the edges. It is vintage, it's second hand, but I really like the shape it creates. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm wearing joggers as well, so it's a very oversized outfit. Should I change? Yeah, so I just put the jacket on with some leather trousers, so it makes it look a little bit less. You can see how it's a really nice, easy throw over jacket. I'm also wearing the dad trainers. Love them. They are amazingly comfortable already, like really soft, comfy trainers that you can imagine yourself like running about doing the shopping in, doing bits. Okay, I'm just going to change back into my shirt. This shirt is from my Future Shore collection, and yeah, there's only a few left actually. I'm wearing like a size medium because it's nice and big. I've been wearing it for like the past 2 days. If you want to know more about my Future Shore collection, I did a whole video haul on it, and yeah, and then I talk all about my designs and sort of like what went into getting the collection made and things like that. So yeah, I'll link that if you would like to watch that too. And as I say that, because my next favorite piece is a brand new piece that I am bringing out. If you watched my last video, my come shopping with me, I was looking for fabric to get some new tote bags made because they keep selling out basically. So I've been looking for new fabric for something different, because I always use sort of like small fabric shops and stuff and like dead stock and things that you can't get again. Not only have I found the fabric, but I have also got a first sample with me. I did a sort of like polls on stories and stuff whilst I was in the fabric shop to see what people wanted, and I went for a black canvas, which isn't ready yet, but also a white vinyl. So here is the finished product, and it is the first ever white vinyl fuchsia tote. It's got the big black Future Shore label. There you can see it's sort of like textured vinyl. It's a really nice fabric, super like lightweight. It's perfect it being a vinyl and white because it's like wiped down, wiped clean, because if it was a white fabric bag, like I would get it filthy. And it's got this lovely stitching detail on the handles. Can you see that? Because I love a stitching detail, you know, I love sewing. There's only going to be 50 of these white ones, and as always they are numbered. Each one has a number, like 1 to 50. So, you know, your one is special and unique. Well, there's only going to be 49 for sale because I am 100% keeping one. It's one of those all-rounder, cute, throw-it-in bags. My black one I still wear basically every day. And I love the oversized little label, just makes it a little bit special. And yeah, so that is another one of my favourite things right now. If you like them and you would like a Future Shore tote, they are going to come out, I think they're going to come out this weekend, and they are going to retail for £40. As always, they look really good actually, really nicely made. Yeah. Okay, this is probably the most special thing that I have bought recently. Okay, this is the first for me because I have never bought a designer bag first hand. I have bought myself some little vintage designer bags. I've got a Louis, I've got a Dior saddle bag, and I've got a Fendi. Okay, I fibbed. I definitely have bought one designer bag brand new before, and that was my Jacquemus belt bag. I have been in need of a nice black bag, and I have been waiting for a designer piece to come up that I would like to invest in. Then this little, I was seeing it about on other people, and I was just like, I just had a moment where I was just like, I want it. I've been in need for like a smaller black bag, you know, something a bit more practical. It felt right. It is the Prada Tessuto Saffian. So it is a sort of like crossbody strap bag, but what I really like about it is not only crossbody, it also has this little chain, so if you wanted to make it into classic little Prada bag, you can do. And then the crossbody strap also comes off, and I've seen people wearing it as a belt with this little tiny pouch bag strapped to it, or you could just wear it, you know, as a belt on itself because it's got the Prada embossed belt fabric. So this bag was a lot of money. It was £860. I love. You may have noticed that I love fashion a lot. It is what makes me happy, and for some people you may think that it's crazy, and do you know what, I maybe agree with you, but I really felt like I wanted to invest in this designer piece. And there's something about this bag as well, was that it is only available in certain stores in major cities. You know, you cannot get it online. The online resale value is like double what you pay for it in store. Also, would like to mention that a lovely blogger called Sherry Webster helped me source it. Bless her, she went down to Prada for me, Selfridges in London, and actually picked it up for me, and yeah, she really helped me out, so thank you, Sherry. You can find her on Instagram at Sherry Webster. Okay, let's put it on. So this is what it looks like on. It is also sort of the perfect size. It fits like my phone, charger, you know, keys, bits and bobs, everything you need, bit of makeup, but like plenty, not too much, like perfect sort of size. Also feels like really comfortable and secure around wearing it around the body. But yeah, this, I think it's very me. It's very like utility. I love that it has the sort of multiple uses. It's like a 3-in-1 bag, which I really like about it. I haven't regretted it one bit. I am so happy. Like, I'm really proud that I could buy it for myself as well. Next, I wanted to run you quickly through some makeup that I have been loving. So I treated myself to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, and I don't think this is new. I'm sure maybe you've had it for ages, or you've heard of it for ages, or whatever. But anyway, I treated myself to it and I absolutely loved it, because I kept seeing people talking about soft glam eye looks, and that is a bit of me. Sort of like brown, just like lots of brown, orange tones, which is exactly what I love to wear, like day to day, night to night, all the time basically. And these colours are just completely up my street. So if you're after soft glam, browns, I just wanted to say that I really like this. Another makeup thing that I'm loving is the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. If you are like me and love a dewy look, you have to try this. So you can wear it underneath your foundation, or mix it with your foundation, or wear it on top. I wear it on top, obviously. And I absolutely love this. I've got it in a light medium, but I actually want to try one slightly darker for when I'm a bit more tanned. But yeah, I just love it. Really dewy, and sometimes my makeup will look awful and then I put this on over the top and I'm like, oh my god, save the day. It's a bit like blurring, but yeah, love that. And the last makeup thing I wanted to talk about was my foundation. So not like 6 months ago or something, I decided to switch to all like cruelty-free makeup. I say that like I hope those two are cruelty-free. I do usually Google, and my main problem was getting a new foundation. I'm really picky about foundations. I like a sort of like slightly dewy look. I've got quite dry skin, quite like dry to just like normal skin, and I was recommended to try the Ordinary Serum foundation. They do have a fuller coverage one, but the person who recommended it said no, like try the Serum, is super full coverage, and it says it's lightweight and everything, but it's great. I love a full coverage because I'm quite freckly and with massive bags on my eyes and red blotchy patches, so yeah, I wanted a full coverage, and I love this foundation. So I wear a mixture of 21Y and 12YG. If you're looking for a cruelty-free, super affordable foundation, go for this. I think it's like £5.50 or £6. I just bought these two in the Black Friday sale on Pretty Little Thing. Even Pretty Little Thing do it. So yeah, definitely recommend this foundation. It's so affordable, really nice coverage, cruelty-free. I mean, can't go wrong. So that is it for my favourites. Those are the things that I have been loving and very happy that I bought. Another thing is I got a subscription for Audible, and this is not an ad. I know they like ads everywhere, but I actually got a subscription for them, and I have been loving that too. I listened to, you know, The Handmaid's Tale, and she put out another book called The Testaments, and I listened to that, which I really enjoyed. Yeah, they've got lots of like podcasts in there and things like that. I am super into podcasts. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this favourites little video. Please let me know if you did. What was your favourite? What have you bought recently? And yeah, also if you listen to like Audible or you read books, can you recommend me a book? I find it really hard to choose, and yeah, if you have listened to anything or read anything recently, I would love a recommendation. So yeah, thank you. Make sure you follow me on Instagram where I am at Amy Fuchsia, where I post outfit pictures every day, and follow my brand at Fuchsia Shore, where those tote bags are coming out really soon. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe.